Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. BBNaija Reunion. Ike is quite different from other guys I've dated, Mercy Ike tells Ebuka. Big Brother Naija Reunion show saw so many revelations made among the few housemates present during the show, mostly between Mercy Ike and Steve Ike Onyema. Just like everyone must have known, the the relationship between Mercy and Ike was one of the high points of BBNaija 2019 show, where everyone saw it happen back and forth. It could be recalled that the fight between these two lovebirds will always come up to the scene where Mercy will be spotted having an argument with Ike and the next minute make up. Yes, it all happened for some reasons, and Mercy made Ebuka Obi-Uchendu understand during the reunion show that she was letting Ike know that American lifestyle is quite different from Nigerian. Mercy stated that Ike would always make her have his way, while at some point she would like him to know where she's coming from and not think everything is all about American way of life. According to Mercy Ike, her lover boy Ike Onyema is quite different from all the guys who she has dated in the past. And the difference is the way Ike treats her. She said, Ike treats me like a superwoman and she loves him for that. Also, Mercy revealed that she knew Ike from the audition days, although they didn't have the connection until second or third week in the house. But the fact remained that as soon as they started talking, they began knowing each other well. Yeah, guys, so you've heard it. Mercy has stylishly revealed to Ebuka why she's so much in love with Ike. So guys, what do you have to say about their relationship? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when it's to drop.